what steps should I take to ensure my team and customers' information stay secure?
Yeah, I mean, same things we've said. Just teaching them, educating them, and then making sure they're using the right technology to protect the client information. I know I've heard of people doing stuff web-based, doing online sales now and adding that features. You just need to make sure that all the proper things are in place for you to do that before you do it. I know people are looking to create revenue stream right now while things are shut down, and so you try to get creative to create income. But if you're vulnerable by having customer information out there, or you're taking credit card information on your website now, or employees are taking that via phone and just doing that, taking that information has to be protected. That's personal identifiable information, and there's laws that say you have a duty to protect that. So having the right steps in place and technology and John and I'd be happy to, anybody that's starting to do that or has questions, I know John and I'd be happy to educate and help guide somebody through that process of what they need to do, especially right now in this time where everybody's kind of working remotely and people may be thinking of creative ways to try to do things, but let's make sure we do it, securely, safely. So next thing you know, you don't have a $500,000, lawsuit or breach cost because to create $50,000 in revenue, that's a lose-lose.